Hi, this is Abby Church, and this is going to be a short training on cyberbullying within the schools. What is cyberbullying? First, we need to define and explain what that is and consists of. So, cyberbullying is the repeated use of technology to harass, humiliate, or threaten others. It can also include embarrassing another person online or using technology. Electronic technology consists of iPads, tablets, any kind of personal device, but also using social media such as Facebook, Instagram, emails, text messages. All of that falls under the use of cyberbullying. There are different types of cyberbullying, and the most top 10 common cyberbullying is exclusion, harassment, outing, cyberstalking, freebing, fake profiles, trolling, dissing, trickery, or catfishing. And again, this is using any type of electronic technology to humiliate or threaten or embarrass another person using any of these types of cyberbullying. So here's some interesting facts about cyberbullying and alarming facts as well. The most common type of online bullying is people saying mean comments about others. 61% of teens reported being bullied say it was because of their appearance that they were getting bullied for. 7 in 10 young people experience cyberbullying before they hit the age of 18, so that's 70% of our young people. Anywhere from a third to a half of youth have been targeted by cyberbullies. So just some alarming facts of cyberbullying. Here are some facts of cyberbullying on social media. 42% occurred on Instagram, 37% reported that it occurred on Facebook, and 31% of it occurred on Snapchat. So some of the most popular social media sites out there for young teens, and these are the ways that they are being cyberbullied using these social media sites. Why is there an increase of cyberbullying? Why are we seeing so much of this? And basically, it comes down to technology use is on the rise among children and teens. So as we start using technology more as a society, it's the younger of the age that students are starting to use personal devices as well. So when this data came out, there was 93% of children ages 8 to 18 have computers at home. 66% of them have personal cell phones, and 76% own other multimedia devices, whether that be tablets, iPods, iPads. So children and teens are just using technology more and more, thus giving them the capabilities of using different sites and social media sites in ways of having access to being able to cyberbully others. Some of the common effects of cyberbullying on students can be depression. They have poor physical health, so they could be lack of sleep. They have anxiety, eating disorders. Students that have been cyberbullied are more likely to skip school to avoid the bullies, which then leads to getting bad grades. Sometimes in some instances, the victim becomes a bully because that's how the learned behavior they have exhibited. And so to retaliate and so that the attention's coming off them, they now become the bully. And others have committed suicide as just a last resort from the cyberbullying. So what can we do as staff and educators within the schools? One way to help with cyberbullying and to help prevent it is to teach digital citizenship and online safety to all students. Teach them how to reject cyberbullying in their lives. What are the appropriate ways to Tell other students to stop, no, stay away. Create a safe learning environment from your students. Know that they have someone to talk to that they can trust, that they feel safe enough to come and talk to an adult or other students, or to tell other students to stop. Integrate social emotional lessons that encourage empathy and understanding. So as students are less likely to bully if they are taught at a younger age those social emotional concepts of empathy and compassion and understanding what the effects are of their actions on others. And also encouraging students to report cyberbullying as it occurs and collecting that evidence. So that in part goes to creating that safe learning environment too, that students feel that they can go to teachers or administrators or other peers in a safe learning environment, that they can report those bullies and know that there could be consequences or that there's going to be repercussions for them. So ending it with this quote, school personnel have a responsibility to stop anything that has the potential to deny a student a safe learning experience. And this goes in hand with cyberbullying as well. If you have any further questions for this, we will continue to learn and integrate new ways of helping prevent and being proactive on cyberbullying in the schools. Thank you.